Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial in Design Spark Mechanical, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own Yeti dog bowl or dog water bowl. It could be a food bowl too. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up Design Spark. I'm going to come up here to File. We're going to say New, or check New, and then check New Design. Now we're going to come back to File. Go down here to Design Spark Options. We're going to navigate over on this left palette to Units. We're going to change from metric to inches because I want to draw this in inches. Now we're going to go ahead and click that eye icon on Plan View. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the Line tool. I'm going to click and drag out. Type in 4 for 4 inches. Now I'm going to drag up 3.25. Now I'm going to select to click off. Now I'm going to come over here to offset. I want to offset this bowl 20.25 or 1/4 of an inch. And I want to offset it from the bottom 0.25. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the line tool from endpoint to endpoint. We'll close that. From endpoint to endpoint, we'll close that one. Now we're going to grab our trim away tool. We're going to click here, click there. Now we're going to come up here to this tool called Create Rounded Corner. And we're going to put a little fillet in here. We'll go 0.3. I'm going to click on the Select tool. Grab the tool again. Do the outside, 0.3. Come up here to Select tool. Now I'm going to zoom in, so Control plus on the keypad. We're going to grab our pan tool. We'll pan over to the left. We're going to grab that Create Rounded Fillet. We're going to create a fillet up here, 0.125. We'll click and create the other 0.125. And now we have a nice symmetrical bowl. This is how these Yeti dog bowls are, pretty squarish or rectangular-ish. They're not like your traditional aluminum water bowls. Okay, now I'm going to put a base down here so the bowl doesn't slide around. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to click up here. I'll come down. Let's go 0.25. And now I'm going to come over. We could probably go 3.7, right where the start of the fillet starts. And then we'll come up. And then we'll go ahead and select to end. That's going to be our bowl shape. We're going to get the trim away tool or T on the keyboard. And we're going to get rid of that right there. Now what you could do is you could either shell this or you could come in now and create the little hollow point. I think I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to go ahead and do the offset. I'll offset over this way, 0.125. Okay. Now I'm going to go grab the line tool. I'll come from endpoint there straight over to here. Okay, this is going to be a hollow base, but it'll keep the bowl from sliding around. So we'll go ahead and grab trim away that point and that point there. Okay, now we'll go Control minus to zoom out. We're going to go pull. We're going to drag a marquee around everything. We're going to select this Revolve tool. We're going to come from here. And we're going to do, okay, something's going on here. We're going to select all of this. Let's move this out of the way. I have a feeling that little arrow is getting in the way. Okay, we'll move that to there. Now select everything. Go to pull. Let's go to the Revolve. We're going to click that axis there. And then we're going to click this full pull. And then we're going to spin around our bowl. This is going to be our Yeti water bowl. It's got a decent base on there. It's not going to slide around. Everything is pretty much designed how I wanted it to be, except right here we're going to put a fillet in. Generally, whenever there's sharp corners, you want to have a fillet. That actually prevents things from breaking. So we'll go ahead and put a little fillet on there, maybe 0.5. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now if you are going to use, and we're going to put one on the inside here too. This could be a weak spot right here, or this could actually crack. So we'll come out 0.50. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. The fillets are on the inside. The only other thing I was going to suggest, if you are going to use this for your a dog or a cat, make sure that you print it with plastic that's safe, food grade plastic. Do some research, make sure that it's safe for your animal. You don't want to put water in a bowl that's not safe for your animal. So, okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. There's our bowl. Hopefully you enjoyed watching, and hopefully you got something useful out of this video. And thank you so much for watching.